Hello, today we're going to be talking about positive reinforcement. The objectives of this presentation is to define positive reinforcement, the guidelines for using positive reinforcement, and examples of positive reinforcement. The definition of positive reinforcement is when a response is followed immediately by the presentation of a stimulus change that increases the future occurrence of a similar response. Things that affect positive reinforcement are motivating operations. Motivating operations are environmental variables that have two effects on behavior. They alter the operant reinforcement effectiveness of some specific stimuli, objects, or events, and they alter the momentary frequency of all behavior that has been reinforced by those stimuli, objects, or events. There are two types of motivating operations: establishing and and abolishing. Motivating operation that increases the current effectiveness of a reinforcer is called establishing operation, and a motivating operation that decreases the current effectiveness of a reinforcer is an abolishing operation. A huge thing to take in consideration are the reinforcers being used. A reinforcer is the stimulus that is presented as a consequence, and it is responsible for that subsequent increase in responding. Guidelines for using positive reinforcement. When using positive reinforcement, you must the reinforcer must be consistently delivered. It must be delivered immediately right after the target behavior, and must be contingent on a behavior or the target behavior, and it should be age appropriate. An example would be Kevin is working for video games. First, Kevin must exhibit the target behavior of brushing his teeth. Once Kevin is finished brushing his teeth, what must take place? That's right, immediately receive video games. Yay! Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys learned a lot about positive reinforcement.